Hi, it's Max from Pro Tactical. Today we're going to freeze and shock test a Max-Lume Revolution Spotlight. We've had it in a block of ice for 72 hours. Just put it over there and we're going to shoot it with a 45-70. Let's get the rifle out of the Max Guard Cyclone case. Now this round's got about 2,300 foot-pound of energy at the muzzle. We'll just see what it does to that block of ice. That projectile has absolutely smashed that block of ice. Incredibly, you can hear the spotlight still going. There it is. It's come through the ice, it's smashed the lens cover. Just got through that layer of plastic there. And you can see the bullet's actually lodged in there. It's come loose now. Let's bring that a bit closer. See the bullet just down there? Spotlight's managed to stop it without it going all the way through. It's still working. Incredible. Spot on.